welcome again to my channel. My name is Emmanuel Luyemi. Today I'm going to teach you how to create your own virtual private cloud, which is VPC. Now, virtual private cloud is a fundamental concept in cloud computing, offering a logical isolated section of a public cloud where you can launch resources in a virtual network that you define. It's essential for your own private data center within the cloud provider infrastructure. So this is yours and not just the public. So one of the reasons, important reasons why you need your own VPC to enhance security and create isolation. So your VPC is logically isolated from the user's VPC within the same public cloud provider. This means your data and resources do not mix or share space with other tenants, providing a significant high level of privacy and security. Now, this, another good reason is control and customization. And scalability. VPC allows you to scale your resources, EC2 or database up and down as needed within your defined network boundaries, leveraging the elasticity of the cloud. Now, I need you to understand that the default VPC is a training well environment. It's fantastic for quick experimental learning the cloud or launching simple, non-critical resources. However, for any serious application, especially those involving sensitive data, compliance requirement, complex architecture, or hybrid cloud integration, a custom designed VPC is absolutely essential to provide the necessary security, control, and scalability. So let me go straight to creating a VPC. This is going to be a very short class, but going forward, we need it before we start our other projects, DevOps projects or cloud projects. We need to get used to working on our own VPC and not the default VPC. So I'm going with VPC and more, and let me name it DevOps. Okay, CIDR block 116 is fine, and tenancy we can leave that as default. We need it in two availability zone in case one goes down, to public subnet to private subnet, and NAT gateway. Okay, no, we need internet gateway for now and not NAT gateway. So I think I need to do a little explanation here. So you see we have internet gateway which controls, which is linked to the public VPC route. Okay, yeah, public subnet, sorry. So now your public subnet A, which is this, public subnet A, the reason you have that is for your ALBs, Bastion host, IGW attachment. Your public subnet B is redundant ALB Bastion host. But yes, we get fantastic. The private subnet. This is a private subnet one. Sorry, this is a private subnet one. Your private subnet is for ECS, EKS nodes, and app servers. Your private subnet 2 or private subnet B, as it may be, is for RDS, Kafka, Reddit, and any other security tools we're going to be using or DevOps tools. Okay, so I just want you to know the work of this subnets and route tables. So let's go ahead to create a VPC. You can see it's creating a VPC, enabling your DNS host name, creating S3 endpoints, creating your subnets, creating internet gateway. You can see it attach internet gateway to your VPC, and we're good to go. This is it. We advise you to delete your default VPCs because this is good enough for you to use for any of your projects, and you're uh, more secured, and you know you don't have anyone else, so you can see what created, right? This is it. And for our next project, we're going to be doing Argo City, and I need us to have our own VPC that we can work in. Okay, so thanks. That's the end of this class. We look forward to the next project.